What the three things should student learn in their teenage?
मेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं हूँ वो बराबर है, मैं ही हूँ वो प्रॉब्लम किया। मेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है, मैं ही हूँ। मेरे अलावा कोई दूसरा है ही नहीं। समाज का विकास नहीं होगा। सब देवताओं ने नक्की किया।
What we need? We need smart people or intelligent.
मैं ही सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ। ईगो इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ।
As you are the businessman also,
विरदंतु देवाहा, मैं नहीं हूँ तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला। बिहेवियर अफेक्ट्स योर फैमिली, अफेक्ट्स योर व्यमित अग्निम अग्निम देवानाम सद्यो जात व्यमित अग्निम अग्निम देवानाम अभवत पुरोगाः अस्य होत प्रतिशत से वाचि स्वाहा क्रुध विरदंतु देवाहा।
sir, welcome to the podcast, sir. So now the thing is, sir, जब हम आपके बारे में पढ़ रहे थे, when we are reading about yours, कि you are the student of this college, okay, then you are the alumni, oldest alumni, you are the businessman, and now you are the president of this college. So what is your journey, sir? Actually, I want to know as a student of this college also. When I heard about you, कि you are the student, alumni, businessman, president. So what was your journey?
Yes, journey. I was born in Kandivali
Hmm.
to a businessman family.
Oh,
Then I studied in the school and I passed in SSC with first class in 1965.
wow.
And then went to Mithibay College and I did my Masters of Science in Organic Chemistry with distinction there. So that was the qualifications, so-called qualifications by which general society gets a person qualified.
Hmm. That time.
But qualification according to me is how do you live the life? How do you qualify yourself? What do you do good thing in life? How do you handle this up and down of the life? And at the end of it, how are you happy in a life?
That's important.
That is the balance sheet of life, ultimately. So then after I went into the business, but my main interest, what I felt was in philosophy. So from the age of 18, I was involved in the Swadhyaya movement. So till 2000.
Hmm.
I did a film with Shyam Benegal called Antarnaad on the Swadhyaya movement also.
Crazy.
From this I could well understand that how the introduction of the God in the life of an individual makes changes, makes him good person. So then I continued my process of understanding the Adhyatma on the basis of Gita and Upanishad.
Wow.
That is still I'm continuing daily. So then after in business, I become a business leader also in my own field about the plastics flooring. Then after I became chairman of Plex Council, Plastic India president. But that is a part of the process which I was interested there in that particular time. And then after I came to, in 2000, I again came back to the school and involved in the development of these various areas here in the education field. And after COVID, I decided to spend much more time in the different way. We have our own systems called Chatur Ashram in our ancient culture, which is called Brahmacharya Ashram, Grahastha Ashram, Vanprastha and Sannyas Ashram. So at a certain age, you have to leave something. You person starts living for one own self and less for others. And gradually, one person should spend more for others and less for oneself. And a time should come when you do not look for yourself, you look for other part of the society. That is by which you can develop yourself from me to mine to ours. And this is the development of a human being. So that is what our Indian culture system says about it. And I'm trying to follow that system.
Wow. Nice. So sir, as you are the businessman also, and then you come to the institutional, so doesn't think कि ये दोनों different niches there. So how do you manage that?
See, we have to work with human being whenever you are in society.
Hmm.
And human beings are the same. It's a different way that in business you have a different goal. So you act differently. But the behavioral science with human beings is the same wherever you do. Like every human being wants a motivation. Every human being wants that whatever he has done should be appreciated in amongst many people. His fault should not be told. So it's a human mind. So wherever you are, human mind is same. Only the area makes difference. That's it.
Sir, when you entered in this KES Education, Kandivali Education Society, so वहाँ की journey, right? The 13 students से start हुआ था ये journey, and now whether 20,000 plus students are there.
I entered in 2000. That was not 30 students. 1936 was 30 students.
1936 में there are
13 students were there.
with 13 students that started, and right now with the 20,000 students.
Yeah, because so many, as I told you also, that education institute is like a river, right? In river, when you go to take a bath, we say that गंगा में हमने स्नान किया. बाद में 15 साल के बाद में जाते हो तब भी बोलते हो गंगा में स्नान किया. तो गंगा नाम यही है मगर पानी बदल गया है. तो similarly, an education institute, our institute is now 90 years. So the institute started small. पानी बदलता रहा, मैनेजमेंट बदलती रही, टीचर्स बदलते रहे, स्टूडेंट्स बदलते रहे, मगर इंस्टीट्यूट वहीं की वहीं वही नाम 90 ईयर्स से चल रहा है. सो इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द पीपल दोज हु कम एंड गो कम एंड गो. सब अपने अपने हिसाब से काम करते जाते हैं और संस्था को आगे बढ़ाते जाते हैं. सो इट इज़ नॉट अ वन पर्सन्स input. I would say it's a collective input with the God's grace.
Sir, what are the important things to run these institutions? Again, if I want to, चलो मुझे भी institution चालू करना है, that's for example, then what things I require?
You require planning,
Yeah,
purpose,
Hmm.
and method.
The three things, and we'll be able to do that.
Yeah, and if a selfish motive is there, then you will be less successful because more people will not join.
Sir, what is your definition of the success?
Anything which you do, first of all, should give you a pleasure, number one. No pressure. Second thing is what you want it to be done. If you are successful in getting it done rightfully, skillfully, by getting all the people around you, it's a joint success, is a right success.
Joint success is the right success. But sir, do you think leadership is something important, like each and every student should have?
Leadership is definitely necessary because you are living with a society and you are living with a human mind. So unless you are a leader, people will not. Lead means there must be a follower, then only you are a leader. Follower does not necessarily mean they are inferior to you. Right? If you have a superiority complex, you are not a leader. It is just like a magnet where iron are not asked to follow, but they just get attracted to a person. So the character building has to be in such a way where with your presence, it shines out. You do not have to say, I am signing out. So leadership is a very much important. And in Rigved, there is one recital, सद्यो जातव्यमित अग्निम अग्निम देवानाम अभवत पुरोगाः अस्य होत प्रतिशत से वाची स्वाहा क्रुद्ध विरदंतु देवाः. सब देवताओं ने नक्की किया कि भाई हमें जो आहुति लेना है तो हम अग्नि से लेंगे, इसलिए हम इंद्राय स्वाहा वरुणाय स्वाहा सबको हम अग्नि से आहुति देते हैं. तो सब देवों ने नक्की किया कि अग्निदेव क्यों हम आगे करेंगे, क्योंकि अग्नि खुद जला और प्रकाश दिया. सो अ लीडरशिप हैज़ टू बी लाइक दिस, जो खुद जलना चाहिए, खुद ही हैज़ टू जलना. डज नॉट मीन सेक्रीफाइस योरसेल्फ, बट खुद शाइन इट आउट एंड देन गिव द लाइट टू अदर्स. वो खुद नहीं करेगा तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. ही शुड लिव विद एन एग्जाम्पल, नॉट बाय द लेक्चर.
Sir, if I want to personally analyze is I am a good leader or not, how should I?
You should see your character.
How?
You should, whether you are a selfish, whether you want to achieve for yourself only, then you are never a leader.
The leader is always will be thinking about him and others too.
Me and others.
Me and others, not only for others.
No, me is a point and others is a circle where others are there. Well, the point is me only because it should be very small. But without that, circle cannot be there. So me has to be a point one, while the other area is much larger than the point. But doesn't exist without a point.
Mm. But sir, do you think like many of the students right now also say ki no, I don't want to become kind of this. I don't want to do the job also. I'll do my business. I'm the leader. And is it the right approach?
See, do whatever you feel correct and you want to start your business, nothing wrong about it.
Hmm.
But if you feel that I am the only superior and others are not, and I can do with my own ability, and I don't need any other's help, maybe forget about God. Then in 16th chapter of Gita, it is called Asuri Sampati. ईश्वरोम अंबोगी सिद्धो हम बलवान सुखी. मेरा जैसा कोई नहीं है, मैं ही ईश्वर हूँ, मैं ही बलवान हूँ, मैं ही सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ, वो इंसान आगे नहीं आ सकता.
कोई इंसान आगे नहीं आ सकता. So who can का upfront like कौन अच्छा बन सकता है? कैसे बन सकता
जिसमें कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट अभयम सत्व संशुद्धि ज्ञान योग व्यवस्थिति 16वें अध्याय में देवी संपत्ति का वर्णन किया हुआ है. तो जो नीडर है, जो दूसरे की सुनता है, क्षमाशील है, दयावान है, वो आगे आएगा, क्योंकि वो ही इन सब लोगों को अट्रैक्ट कर सकेगा. आई रखने वाले, मैं करने वाले आगे नहीं आ
है?
सकते.
ऐसे होते. So how to build that mindset then?
You have to see that you get into the scripture, you get into the good circle, you get into the good atmosphere where you can develop such characters.
हम्म. मतलब આપણે जैसे in Gujarati we say संगत matters the most, like संगत
Sangat, that's right. So satsang, sangat, both are there.
both are there. Wow. But the students are Gen Zs, if I say right now many people don't want to work with the Gen Zs. What will be the reason then?
They don't know how to work. They're afraid of doing work. So I just came from the class which was, I think average age must be 18, 19 years.
You're right.
They were all participating and all were happy to talk. When you talk about logic, when you talk about something which is related to their life, which is not something abstract, then people are interested. Because if it is interesting to me in my life, they are intelligent to understand it, it reflects to their life. So they are interested.
Wow. Sir, is there any difference between smart and intelligence?
Must be a thin intelligence.
Hmm.
I wouldn't say much more intelligent. It's just the same word.
Same word, but different thing. Many people say intelligent is something कि he's intelligent for the perfect niche, and the smart means is
Always know how to do about it.
always know how to do about it. And intelligent is know whatever the work he has assigned, he'll now will deep down he will serve the things.
It can be defined that way also.
Wow. So right now, so what we need smart people or intelligent people?
We need a good person with a good character. Then everything is a part of it.
Right. So being a good person, if you are the good person, you will get everything.
A good person means you have a leadership quality. Then you have everything with you.
Wow. So what Gita teaches?
Be a good human being.
This.
Develop yourself. See, I just talk about that. Suppose you are a body, computer. Then your hardware is a body.
Right.
Then you have a software also,
Mm.
which is mind.
Right.
So whatever software first of all, whatever you act comes from the software. Like on the screen of hardware, सॉफ्टवेयर में जो आता है वही हार्डवेयर पे आने वाला है, बाहर से कुछ नहीं आने वाला है. सो what you have in your software and what you think about the software decides your action. क्रोध मन में आता है, हाथ बॉडी का उठता है, बराबर है.
बराबर.
तो सॉफ्टवेयर इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट.
Mm.
What Gita talks about it, I mean, in a simple term, I tell you, this body is hardware which is not going to last. It is going to deteriorate and ultimately death. So body is there, हार्डवेयर गया, सॉफ्टवेयर तो रहा है, वो छोड़ के चला जाता है. लाइक व्हेन यू चेंज आपके पास जो मोबाइल है जो हम मानते हैं उसका हार्डवेयर चला गया तो आप सिम कार्ड ले लेते हैं because data are there and then give it to another hardware.
Right.
Similarly, this body, the software is going to be with you. The hardware is going to be changed because that is what your SIM card is.
Wow.
Now, if you develop this SIM card without the viruses, then more clarity and concentration of the life will come out. So, development of the SIM card is the goal of life, and the person who develops this SIM card is more intelligent than anyone else in the world.
Right.
Because he talks about return on investment, not on this life, life after death, life after death, life after death. And that is why we are all different because we all have different SIM cards.
Wow.
So the goal of life has to be develop the SIM card. Once you are in the process of developing the SIM card, then with this development, all leadership quality comes, all characterization comes, all goodness comes and badness goes out slowly, slowly, slowly.
Nice. But still, sir, the when it's come to the point, so some of the parents also pampered a lot regards to this.
Yeah, because they don't know the purpose of life. They know that life ends at this juncture only, and whatever you get or whatever you want, you will get happiness out of it. But happiness is not material which is available outside, it is within inside. And we are trying to find out happiness outside. ये मिलेगा तो खुश हो जाऊंगा, वो नहीं मिलेगा तो गुस्से हो जाऊंगा, ये नहीं मिलेगा तो उसके लिए उसके करतूत है इसीलिए नहीं मिला. We blame others for the failure and talk about success is mine, failure is due to others. And that continues in life. That person cannot be happy. And everyone wants to be happy, but they don't know how to be happy.
See, as a Gen Z, when I go outside and I see now, so the people say, a student also can say, or your parents also say, money is everything, money is happiness. This is the right statement.
Money is means to be happy
Hmm.
because by that you can fulfill your desire. But once you fulfill one desire, another desire crops up.
Right.
So that happiness is a temporary one. आप एक वन बेडरूम फ्लैट में से 2 बेडरूम फ्लैट में जाओ, हैप्पीनेस आ गई. अब बाजू वाले का 3 बेडरूम फ्लैट है तो वो मेरा कब होगा वो इच्छा जागृत हो गई तो वो हैप्पीनेस खत्म हो गई. दूसरी डिज़ायर खत्म हो चालू हो गई. वो हो गया तो कितना टिकेगा उसका एक शंका है. बाद में तो लोभ होगा, नहीं तो क्रोध होगा नहीं मिलेगा तो. सो यू आर इन दैट रेट रेस बिकॉज द हैप्पीनेस इज द पार्ट ऑफ इनसाइड, इट इज नॉट एन आउटसाइड. So you try to get the happiness from from the people, from the paristiti, from the whatever you feel success, but these are all temporary. They are not permanent.
Sir, what is permanent then?
Permanent happiness is the inside. You have to be happiness is felt where outside or inside. Inside.
It should be the inside, not the outside.
No, it is not inside. It is never outside.
Okay.
यदि outside होती है तो वही suppose you are talking about money. Okay. If the money is to be happy, then सबको मनी से हैप्पीनेस होगा. आप कोई पैसे वाले को हैप्पीनेस है क्या? ही इज ऑल्सो नॉट हैप्पी बिकॉज हिज अ फैमिली सिचुएशन इज
Difficult, right?
सो वी फाइंड हैप्पीनेस बट देन दे आर सेमी राइट एड्रेसेस. They are not complete addresses. You feel it happy to be, but that happiness is momentarily. So one has to understand what is the purpose of life. I don't say that earning is bad. I don't say kirti barabar nahi hai, मान barabar nahi hai, but that's not the end of life. You have to go beyond because happiness is beyond the pleasure. Pleasure is different than happiness is.
Wow. Sir, right now, sir, when we are on topic of the money, so I want to ask, have you ever have thought of कि अभी जो है now it suppose वो चला जाए, so what you will do?
It's a part of life.
You will accept that and you will start.
Yeah, I have accepted many times in my life.
Wow. Sir, I want to know then what's the scenario, what are the things which you have passed on and still you are so strong and doing
Yeah,
it.
because you see my company has gone up and down and it's a part of life.
And still you are managing and running well. Right now,
Yeah,
it is,
still the company is running.
wow. So how do you handle this kind of the stress when it's you are the like good
You
turnover?
see, then you have to depend upon one thing is God, which I am in strongly believe in it. So whatever he gives is for my own training.
Mm.
Simple.
So all over the things which we are getting, it is a part of our training.
If you accept this, there is no unhappiness.
Wow.
माँ बच्चे को थप्पड़ मारती है तो चोर चोर मारता है और माँ मारती है, उसमें फर्क है या नहीं है?
Of course.
द गॉड इज माई मदर, सो वॉट एवर थप्पड़ मारता है तो अच्छा है, मेरे लिए अच्छा होगा.
Crazy.
वो इतना समझ आनी चाहिए, वो देर लगती है.
मतलब the mindset is everything.
100%.
Wow. Then what should be that mindset? If I'm a student right now, then what should be my mindset to grow?
I have just talked about Karma Yoga.
Mm.
For any human being, Karma Yoga is the basic mindset. God has given me duty to do. Whatever I am doing is by the God has given me the strength. My job is to function. My job is to act skillfully, thoughtfully. But the result is not in my hand. Result is in God's hand. Whatever God gives the result, I will accept as a prasad, no complaint. And in prasad, I have no single right. I have to distribute it in my life. This is a Karma Yoga.
The same thing. It should not be a me only. It
Yeah.
should be with for others also.
Right.
Wow. So at the age of 18, you started the Bhagavad Gitas and learnings and all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what first thing you understand from the Bhagavad Gita and you implemented in your life?
It's a slow process. You see, you can't go to the people वृक्ष को और जाके बोलो कि तुम कभी कितने बड़े. वो तो बीज से अंकुर होता है, धीरे धीरे बढ़ता है. इट्स सच अ स्लो प्रोसेस ऑफ लाइफ. सो व्हेन इट व्हाट इट हैपेंस व्हेनेवर यू गो इनटू अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, आप कब कैसे कैसे आपके मन में संस्कार पड़ते हैं और धीरे धीरे आपके वर्तन में वो आते हैं. तब जब वर्तन में आते हैं तब हमको लगता है कि इफ़ यू फॉल बैक इनटू मेनी इयर्स, then what has changed between what you were there at thinking that time and what you are thinking now. So it's a self-analysis one has to do. It cannot be measurable by 1 year to 1 year. It's a process, long
It
process.
is a long time process.
Because it's a removal of viruses in SIM card.
But that virus should be analyzed rather than being ignored.
Yeah, that is always there. काम, क्रोध, मोह, मत्सर, लोभ, ईर्ष्या, द्वेष सब में है.
सर एक डीप में आप बता सकते हो whatever the statements you had to say.
क्रोध मीन्स एंगर,
Hmm.
लोभ मीन्स हम क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
लोभ.
मुझे ये ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा 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 चाहिए.
Greedy.
ग्रीड.
Yeah.
राइट. मोह मीन्स जो अच्छा नहीं है वो अच्छा मानना और अच्छा है उसको अच्छा नहीं मानना. रॉन्ग थिंकिंग.
Okay.
मत्सर मीन्स enviness.
Huh?
These are all the problems of human being we all have. So these are viruses. You go on removing those viruses. Slowly, slowly it gets removed. It is just like that. लोटा खाली है, अभी लोटे में से हवा निकालना है तो एक डी वैक्यूम प्रोसेस बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, तो भी हवा रह जाती है. पानी भरो तो हवा निकल गई.
Right. That is the process.
So you start doing something good that it will go by itself. You don't have to make any efforts to do it. It just goes.
Just go with the flow.
Yeah, go with the flow, with the God's thinking in your mind that whatever happens is because God's design and it is fit, it is right for me at this particular juncture for my further development. That is simple.
But sir, how should I understand कि this is the part of process? Still I'm doing wrong or something.
No, then जब आपको पता है आप गलत कर रहे हो, then और वही बराबर है तो वो तो प्रोसेस बराबर नहीं है.
नहीं है.
वो तो सेल्फ डिसेप्शन है.
हाँ. So right now, when you go to take the sessions of the right now the Gen Z era, so do you think there are the huge difference कि पहले जो students का mindset था and right now
No.
this mindset is same?
Mindset is same. I don't see it's very simple. You can go to that class and find out. Because human mind is human mind. It depends upon how do you do this. You should utilize the latest technology. Some examples to illustrate. Then it is easier for them to go because this whatever subject we are talking about, this software, what I tell you about this. If I only talk about mind and all these things, without using the terminology of what they are used to it, right? Then it doesn't register well. But if you use the terminology which they are experiencing day by day, then it appeals them.
Right.
How to do it? That's the question.
So if we are the leaders, so we should know how to teach them.
Without saying that I am the leader.
So without saying that I'm the leader.
If you start believing you are a leader, then you develop ego, which is most dangerous of life.
But sir, ego have a two sides also, na, positive and negative.
मैं हूँ वो बराबर है, मैं ही हूँ वो प्रॉब्लम है.
The ego is the problem.
No, ego is a part of life. You can't live without it.
Then what to do, sir?
मैं हूँ तो वो तो रहने वाला ही है. पर इफ यू उसको अहम बोलते हैं और अहम को आकार देना, इसको अहंकार कहते हैं. जैसे मैं ही समर्थ हूँ, मेरे अलावा कोई दूसरा है ही नहीं, मेरे लिए ही ये सब चल रहा है, मैं नहीं हूँ तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. दिस इज कॉल्ड अहंकार. पर मैं हूँ वो अहम है, वो तो रहने वाला ही है. आई एम इज ऑलवेज देयर, बट आई एम समथिंग दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम.
Oh. So how to understand this कि I'm in the wrong track of the ego?
You will understand because you will see that you are not happy. You yourself will feel that I am doing something wrong.
So it is an indication type of कि like if I'm not happy, so I'm doing something wrong.
I would not say so. Sometimes you feel happy going on a wrong track also.
We might some feel that कि हाँ नहीं मजा आया.
But basically सब लोगों को मैंने अभी बात किया. Because we are born with certain culture. Every human being knows about कि भाई झूठ बोलना गलत है, हिंसा गलत है, क्रोध गलत है, मारामारी गलत है. इसको सिखाना नहीं पड़ता है. सब बच्चे नीचे से ही सीख के ही आते हैं. सबको मैंने बच्चों सब स्टूडेंट्स को कहा, यू नो एवरीवन दैट अटेंडेंस इज कंपल्सरी एंड बंकिंग इज रॉन्ग. Is there anything new which I am telling you? But while you think about it, then you have always do's and don'ts. It is always a function of mind. But there is an intellect. You decide what is right or wrong. The person who decides, who knows right and does right is a right person. Person knows what is wrong and does that only, that is right. That is wrong. So it's self-analysis. जितना बंक मारोगे, जितना गुटली मारोगे, जितना पिक्चर देखने जाओगे, तो you are dragged by the desires, knowing that it is wrong.
Knowing that.
If you are able to control that, then you are on the right path.
But sir, there's the problem. How to control right in this age of 18.
You know about it. I gave them certain example. I gave them the example of sheepdog.
Sheepdog. What was that example, sir?
Sheepdog is in Australia and New Zealand. Their economy is based upon wool. So there was sheep breeding. Now when the sheep goes here and there throughout the day, and how to bring them back. So they train sheepdog. By a whistle, the sheepdog makes them train and gets into the right place at the evening. You go to the video of sheepdog. There are competitions of sheepdog also. So we have in a human mind, we have a sheep-like desires and sheepdog like an intellect. So desires goes here and there. And sheepdog is powerful, then brings up the desire to the right end. So that is the life. Everyone has a sheepdog in their life. Everyone knows how to control, what is to control. But then there is a problem of Duryodhan. He said, Janami dharmam nachame pravrutti. I know what is wrong, but I am not able to get into it. Janami adharmam nachame nivrutti. Whatever I know it is wrong, but I am not able to get out of it. So it is not that. People know what is right, but they are dragged by this. I gave them example of कुत्ते घुमाने के लिए सेठ ले जाता है. बाद में कुत्ता कुछ देखता है और कुत्ता भागता है तो सेठ भागता है. तो कौन किसको घुमाता है? One has to think about it. Mind is with you to enjoy. But if you mind भागने के बाद में आप भी भागोगे तो आप बॉडी छिल जाएगा आपका. These are the simple things of life.
Then we should know whom we are in the control. We are the controller or
Yeah,
is other
desire controls you or you control desire.
desires.
Nice.
Sir, as you are the president of the Kandivali Education Society, you have numbers of 20,000 plus students having the Indian institutions and more than 7 plus institutions you are controlling. So do you ever feel you have this much power, you have the access of this kind of the students?
First of all, I am not controlling. Number one. I am facilitating a subject. Control is not, I don't use the word,
Okay.
right? When you control, then you become egoistic a person. And a person when becomes egoistic, he is less approachable. Right? Because no one likes to be with a person who is more egoistic. One has to be approachable. And one can be approachable when one behaves like a human being and understands all human being is an equal one. Then it becomes easier for me to approach others. If I feel that I am so and so, why should I talk to them? Then there is a wall. Okay. But when I see that he is also human being, I am also human being at a different position God has decided to have, then there is no barrier to a person. Then once you have no barrier, then you are easily approachable. And when you are easily approachable, people try to convey whatever they feel correct. Because with one intellect, you can't understand so many things. The people, those who are on the field can give you a better way of, insight of the problems. So when you get the insight of the problems, then you can try to solve the problem. Very simple. The first fundamental thing is you must be approachable. And once you are approachable, then you get the inputs and then you try to solve the problems. And when you try to solve the problem, you try to be in their seat, that how they will feel about it, right? So we take the people into confidence, people take into their stride, and then try to involve them also in the decision making. And it is easier to go.
Wow. So approachable means we should talk to everyone.
Everyone should talk to you.
Everyone should talk to you.
They should not feel that I can't reach.
So how should I create that personality then?
By behavior.
Uh, but sir, if I'm
जैसे किसी के खभे पे हाथ रख डाल दिया आपने.
uh,
He feels that you are near to him, right? You smile at them. You wish them. Simple. It doesn't. It's not a rocket science.
mm. But sir, if in the college only, if I saw when I saw you, so I feel no, I cannot approach you because you are the president of the college. You have that personality. You are surrounded with the people. Then how should I approach? Then
That's why I'm trying to go to the classes. So people should feel that is approachable. That is simple.
जैसे कि right now कि अगर if suppose I'll give you the example जैसे why I'm asking you this question because अगर मुझे किसी टीचर के साथ फोटो लेना है या कुछ भी काइंड ऑफ द फोटो लेना है तो मैं उनको बोल सकता सर लेट्स हैव अ पिक्चर और समथिंग बट इफ आई वांट विद द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कॉलेज maybe I'll think no maybe
I do understand because you have already created a image of a president within your mind. With that image, you are behavioral,
uh,
right? So that image, one has to try to change by the behavior of oneself. And it's not easy to do it. But you get to know the person by not direct, but by the inference of some people, by going through people. Or you ask someone if I want to do it. Suppose you approach a teacher may tell you, or you approach that way it can happen. I can't be approachable to every हर लोगों से तो मैं मिल नहीं सकता हूँ,
right
बराबर है. बट आपसे मिला तो आप मेरे बारे में बात करेंगे, नो ही इज अप्रोचेबल. दैट वे इट स्टार्ट्स, इट वर्क्स, इट डज वर्क.
hmm. Sir, I heard about something you have also written an article regards the selfie.
There are certain articles it is written in English which can be available from the Dr. Bhushan.
Oh.
In selfie, what I feel is this, that generally everyone wants a selfie.
Hmm.
Everyone, at nook and corner, you find person taking selfie. And then when you take a selfie, you often try to smile, which generally you are not smiling.
Hmm.
Right? So you try to see yourself differently than what you are generally. And you try to feel good about it, that not myself looking good, but other also say that you are looking good. So you go back to the gallery, and if you are not satisfied, you remove it and again you take it up. Right? So there is an insight of every human being to look good and to be felt that others say you are good. But that is, you are going only up to the hardware. Your software, which is inside your behavior, which makes you good person. Have we looked inside that selfie? that how am I good, what is my behavior, what are my virtues, what is my character. उसकी सेल्फी किसी को लेना नहीं है.
Live selfie, we can say, sir.
We are only taking the selfie of the hardware, that is body, but software, which is mind, which creates a behavioral aspect by through the hardware. We have those viruses. We are not ready to take those software. So that is where I feel that one must go beyond the body to take selfie of yourself about a character, how character I am, how our behavior is. Then there is a development.
तो कह सकते हैं the inner selfie kind we have to analyze, we have to see कि what
That will develop it. वो तो क्या है, गैलरी में रहेगा.
हाँ, एक जगह डाल दिया, status लगा दिया, then it's happy.
Simple.
But this will give you the more happiness, inner peace, we can say. Inner peace.
Yeah, one has to analyze them oneself. Selfie लो तो इसका लो.
Sir, what makes you happy then?
I'm always happy, irrespective of anything.
Okay.
Nothing can make me happy because happiness is my nature.
Wow. The happiness.
If something will make me happy, if something is not there, I become unhappy. So my happiness is depending upon the people. If it is depending upon, then I cannot be there always happy. I will be only happy subject to that thing available. Right. Happiness is a nature. Happiness is not imparted. Whatever imparted there will go with the subject, with the situation, with the वो चला जाएगा, वो लंबा नहीं रहने वाला है.
The nature, the happiness should be our nature rather than
I am happy. It is I am happy.
And I have should be the happy. Yeah, I am happy.
I am happy because it is my nature to be
To be
happy.
happy. But sir, do you think all people follow this?
People have to follow, otherwise they will not be unhappy.
So our goal is to be being happy.
Goal, we are happy. We don't understand, that is the problem.
So all humans are happy, but still we are not able to understand.
Understand. Very simple. I am asking you a simple question. Okay, now I am taking your interview.
Okay.
What is this?
This is a paper.
Whose paper?
My.
It is different from you, or it is you?
No, of course different because it's a paper.
Okay, come on. What is this cloth?
This is of course different cloth.
It is your cloth.
It is my cloth.
It is different from you or not?
Of course different from.
Then what is this body?
It is my
body.
My body.
It's different from you or not? When you say my body, right, that means you are able to take it as an object. You feel you feel that you are able to see that, or you are able to feel it. So you are not there.
Yeah.
Do you say it is me body?
No, it is my body, I say.
You say it is my ear or me ear?
My ear.
Right. So when you say my, it is different from me. है या नहीं है? लॉजिक की बात करो.
लॉजिक है.
बराबर है.
बराबर.
अच्छा, मन में मैं दुखी हुआ, मैं सुखी हुआ, अनुभव होता है नहीं होता है?
होता है सर.
तो मैं मन दुखी है, सुखी है, या मैं सुखी दुखी हूँ?
मैं सुखी तो.
क्योंकि मन को हम आइडेंटिफाई मैं से करते हैं. माई माइंड बोलते हैं क्या मैं माइंड बोलते हैं? मेरा मन बोलते हैं या मैं मन बोलते हैं? मेरा मन बोलते हैं. तो मन में जो सुख होता है, तो मैं कैसे सुखी दुखी हो गया?
That's a point.
Very simple.
That's the simple.
So whatever is happening there, like a fast train, you are on the platform. Do you get into it?
No.
So let that fast train of mind goes here and there. You observe. You are happy. This is what all our Upanishad and Gita talks to our senses, that apply logic. It is not talking about belief simple. It is talking about apply your logic. You have all intellect. You apply your logic, come to a conclusion that whatever you feel or whatever objects are there are not you. They may be mine, but not me.
Wow. So we should know the definition of my and me.
Of course. If you want to be happy, then these are the ways of doing it. We are finding गलत एड्रेस पे हम सुख खोजते हैं.
We should know how to find the address.
Yeah, and there is nothing wrong in doing it, but ultimately you understand that is not the right ultimate address. वो ज़रूरी है. मैं ये नहीं बोलता हूँ धन कमाना ज़रूरी नहीं है, कीर्ति ज़रूरी नहीं है. वो ज़रूरियात है, जीवन परिस्थिति है, मगर उसके ऊपर भी कुछ है.
Right.
वो नहीं समझोगे तो दुखी हो जाओगे.
But sir, there should be something like GPS. Like when we are finding some roads, so there should be we have a Google's. We can find the.
जैसा ये शास्त्र वही तो है, गीता भगवत गीता वो जीपीएस ही है, मगर आपको यूज़ करना आना चाहिए। उसमें टाइम लगता है, कोई समझाने वाला चाहिए, उसके लिए समय देना चाहिए, वो सब करना चाहिए।
The guru is important.
Yeah, you have to manage some time to understand what is life purpose. मैं तो सीधे सिंपल सवाल पूछता हूँ, कोई आपके घर पे रात को आ गया, ऐसे ही आ गया, बराबर है? तो आप पूछते हो क्यों आया?
Of course, पूछूंगा.
पूछोगे नहीं पूछोगे?
Of course.
तो हम ये दुनिया में आए तो पूछो तो सही भाई हम क्यों आए?
But sir, whom to ask?
अपने आप को। तो सवाल पूछोगे तो कहाँ जगह ढूंढोगे, मेरा आने का पर्पस क्या है?
क्या है?
Why I'm here for? Why, for what reason I'm here only for, here and not there? Then you start understanding yourself that why I'm here, what am I here, what is the purpose of life, what is going to be happen, what is the SIM card, what are the viruses, how do I go out of it, how I become happy, how do I improve my balance sheet.
Uh,
You are the commerce student, right?
no, I'm a science student, IT student, sir.
But you know what is balance sheet?
Yeah, I know about that.
31st March balance sheet, closing balance is 1st April balance sheet.
I know.
Yeah, you understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
death is a 31st March and next birth is 1st
First
April.
April.
So garbage in, garbage there वहाँ आएगा.
Garbage and garbage, sir.
So develop whole this process of entering into the education is not only to say one thing is definitely to provide education which is industry friendly. So the students who comes out from here and the industry gap requirement is reduced so that we try to get more and more people from outside industry. The second thing is to make a character of a person. If you are the shortage is a character today. Shortage is not chartered accountant. Shortage is not cost accountant. Shortage is not data science or anything. Shortage is a good human being. That is a shortage. If you are a good doctor, right. Otherwise, good doctor can be third class husband.
Right, of course, yes.
What is is that the is this the way of life?
No.
So shortage is a goodness. So the whole effort of this education has to be prepared a good human being for this great nation. This is whatever you can do with your presence or with whatever you have got the knowledge. Try to share it. That's simple.
The only the thing, many things I've understand, but the one thing I'll keep will is it is not I, it is others also. We have to think for
Yeah.
others also rather than saying, no, I'll do is ये मेरा फायदा है. सबका फायदा क्या है? That's matter the most.
Yeah, that is why our mantra is सर्वेत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु माँ कश्चित् दुःखम् आप्नुयात्. तो उसमें सर्वे है, मेरे लिए नहीं है. वो हमारी कल्चर है, हमारा कितना बड़ा योगदान है ये हमारी संस्कृति का.
Sir, if what thing should I learn from the Bhagavad Gita from now?
How to live life happily.
How to live life. So all we should understand.
Yeah, because that is what Bhagavad Gita is. Bhagavad Gita, Arjun started this Bhagavad Gita's, भगवान उसने ऑपरेशन जो दिया, दो चीज थी, उसको शोक था और मोह था. शोक मीन्स ही वॉज नॉट हैप्पी, ही वॉज अनहैप्पी, एंड मोह मीन्स जहाँ जो था वो नहीं दिखता था और जो नहीं था वो दिखता था. अभी रण युद्ध में वो गया, वो टाइम उसको शत्रु भी देखना चाहिए, तो उसमें उसने अपने रिलेटिव्स देखा उसने. So at that time, he should not look at the relatives, he should consider them enemies. He didn't do that. That's why he felt about that, अभी मेरे सगे वाले को क्यों मारो, उसलिए मुझे युद्ध नहीं करना है. तो भगवान ने उसको समझाया कि ये तेरा मोह है, उसको सब रिलेटिव नहीं, दे आर डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग, सो शत्रु मान के तू कर, और मैं उपदेश चालू किया. So we have to understand what is right in life, what is wrong in life. That sharpness of intellect Gita gives.
But so right now the many things are like as a student also I hearing this कि पढ़ाई में अभी कुछ नहीं है. You have to focus on your skills. This is the right approach in the student's mindset.
Everywhere one has to do it. पढ़ाई भी करो, स्किल भी डेवलपमेंट करो. These are all simultaneous, not either or.
Either or. It is a simultaneous.
It is simultaneous process.
But students say नहीं पढ़ाई क्या है, skills में ये करूँगा वो करूँगा हो जाएगा.
साथ में करो तो उसमें फायदा होगा. स्किल डेवलपमेंट करोगे नहीं रहेगा तो ये भी नहीं हो जाएगा, वो भी नहीं होगा.
मीडियम में रह जाएंगे.
Do everything together which you are in the process of doing it. And once you find that, yes, you have to see, unless you want to jump fine, but first start walking. And at a particular time you feel that high jump is there, then take a jump.
Right.
But till then you walk. You have to develop those sense that when to jump.
When to jump, yeah. We should never be still on the some particular one thing. We should not stick into the one thing. You have to
वॉकिंग चालू रखो
keep
तो
चालू.
आपको दिखेगा सब क्या हो रहा है.
अगर एक जगह से ऐसा लगा कि हाँ मैं तो ये पोजीशन पे हूँ, मेरे नीचे सब है,
वो तो इगोइस्टिक सिचुएशन है. नीचे सब है तो प्रॉब्लम.
नीचे सब है तो प्रॉब्लम. एंड व्हाट इज नॉट ईगो, सब मेरे साथ है.
ईगो कब आपका जाएगा? जब ईश्वर तत्व अंदर आएगा तब आपका ईगो चला जाएगा. कि मैं जहाँ हूँ वो ईश्वर की कृपा है, ईश्वर का सामर्थ्य है, मुझे जो मिला है उसमें भगवान की इच्छा है और मेरे गढ़तर के लिए हुआ है. और जो दो मेरे साथ है वो भी भगवान के लड़के हैं, लड़कियां हैं. उससे मेरा बंदोबस्त एक भाई बहन जैसा होना चाहिए. सिंपल.
बट डू यू थिंक लाइक ये सारी चीज़ें जो है, तो ये एट द एंड सारी चीज़ें माइंडसेट को टारगेट करती है.
ऑफ कोर्स.
So rather than going to follow this and all, we should have like that strongness कि मुझे mindset को train करना है.
हाउ डू यू डू इट?
From the learning from the people.
जैसे आपको इट इज जस्ट लाइक गोइंग विदाउट डेवलपिंग योर हेल्थ विदाउट गोइंग टू जिम. जिम इज मोर डिफाइंड प्लेस
Yeah.
देन हाउस. That will give you more better way of structured way of doing it rather than doing yourself.
So in short, we can go with that process also. But if
You can
want
go
to
with the
go-
process, but if you go into the structured process, it helps.
Mhm. That people have to decide कि they want to go in unstructured way or the structured way.
Both way it is possible.
Possible. There is no kind of the thing कि नहीं आपको ऐसी
Yeah, this is a better way of doing it.
better after.
गाड़ी कंक्रीट रोड पे चलाओ या खड्डे वाले रोड पे चलाओ, वो आपको नक्की करना है. पहुंचोगे तो बराबर, वहाँ थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, इधर उधर शरीर इधर उधर होगा, डिस्कम्फर्ट होगा, वहाँ टाइम में पहुंच जाओगे.
Sir, as a student, I have that one question to ask you, as in you are the president of the Kandivali Education Society, which I feel also. Do you think you also the Metivai students, right? So do you think we are competing to the Metivai college, that type of the college?
See, I would not say competing,
Hmm.
because every institute has their strength and weaknesses.
Right.
Right. So definitely the institute at Ville Parle is a bigger one and have got various branches and got various faculties and various areas of development. Yes. Then there are various another universities, METs are there. Then Gujarat mein university hai. So all are different and all are working for the development of the society. So we are working also in our own way, and ours is a charitable trust. That's the main thing which we must understand. The institute which started with one motive only, that around Kandivali, no student should remain without the education because of fees. So we have created Vidyotejak Fund also, where we spend nearly 30-40 lakhs of rupees per year to help the students, needy students. So our goals are different, because we just do not want to make surpluses, but we want to help the society. So I would put it like this, that we are a unique blend where we look about the students' welfare also, in terms of economic and character building process, and in terms of the right education to give them industry friendly education. So in holistic development of as an education, I feel I'm proud of being associated with this institute.
But sir, as a student, I always see कि why our college is not on that superior level rather than being.
Yeah, so everything it takes its time and everything has its own destiny. So we should, if you look about it, we have grown over a period of so many years,
Actually,
So the growth will continue, but it's always better to look at the growth rather than the comparative growth. Because we do not want to lose the focus of what we are doing as a holistic development rather than one simple development. I don't say they are doing it, but then we are concentrating here also. So whatever is happening, it is happening for the good, and we are going for the development of the education and society at large.
yeah. But sir, I always thought कि I want my college, because I will probably say I'm the KS student, and I say my college should be also on that top notch level. Ki I can say proud, yes, I'm the KS college student.
Yeah, so you understand the ethos of KES and get proud of it rather than comparison.
Hmm. When someone asks me why KES is so different with a different college, so what should be my answer to that?
I would say that KES is a student-friendly college where we are talking about attendance, where the person feels about the strictness, but it is for you to mold yourself for this. Because if you do not focus on the subject where you have come for and you get diverted because of your desires will take you somewhere else. We are trying to control you and we are trying to tell you that that's not at present. You have to, first of all, see that you are a student and you should behave like a student and act like student and study like a student. Because once you leave this life, see, you are in teenage, right now teen इसका मतलब है डब्बा.
Hmm.
ये डब्बे में जो भी डालोगे उसका आवाज आने वाला है. अच्छी चीज डालोगे तो अच्छा आवाज आएगा, पत्थर डालोगे तो खटखट आवाज आएगा. सो दिस इज अ एज वेयर यू डेवलप योर सेल्फ. आदमी की जो भावना है, इच्छा है, वो मेरे हिसाब से कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग है, वो ये टीन एवरेज में हो जाता है. तब then after 20 to 23 person knows what is right and wrong much more than what is in teenage. They get attracted, they can distracted. So one has to be control of understanding that what is right for oneself. So we try to help in that situation where we make controls of do's and don'ts very strongly, because it is a development of children, a development of the student, and those who have come here are God sent student, and it is our duty to see that whatever best we know we can impart to them.
Oh, so here, rather than for the different colleges are not serving kind की वो लोग attendance का इतना issue नहीं करते. But KS is having that issue. The student might feel कि why our college is doing different. Big colleges are not having that restriction to maintain the 75% or
See,
attendance.
KES is a river, not a flood. Wow. Rivers is a bank, right? And river will be utilized to help the farming में काम आता है, पानी पीने के लिए काम आता है. Flood looks like big places, but it destroys everything. So one has to develop oneself. संयम होना जरूरी है, संकोच होना जरूरी है, डूज एंड डोंट्स जरूरी है. अदरवाइज तो ये उम्र में आपको जो धन में आएंगे करेंगे तो ये समाज का विकास नहीं होगा. आपको वही करना पड़ेगा, वही जो समाज के आपके लिए अच्छा है और समाज के लिए अच्छा है. बिकॉज यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी, यू आर नॉट इन आइसोलेशन. So your behavior affects your family, affects your friends, affects your neighbor, affects everywhere. So behavior is much important. As a student, one has to understand what is student life, what is meant for it, and what is for it. So that's why we are making stricter control on attendances and stricter control on using of the mobiles and stricter controls of everything. And it is always there. If when you do good for the society, some individuals do not feel suffocated. They may feel suffocated, but it is a larger good for the people which we have to work about it, and they have to follow this line. If not, then there are so many other colleges left over. But I tell you, parents wants this college because they know that this college means business for them.
That is the thing. I've seen the many of the parents always say, even though my parent also, no, you have to go in the KS. There you will get whatever the things you want and what we want. But right now, many other parents is also saying, no, go in the bigger college. You will get more this.
Fine, good. See you. तुंडे तुंडे मतिर बिनना. हर एक दिमाग माइंड अलग अलग होता है भाई. तो करने तो उसको वो भी अच्छा होगा.
वो भी है. क्या पता वो जगह उसके लिए सही हो. But it feels ना कि नहीं, this is a wrong mindset they are creating.
You can't change people. You can guide them. घोड़े को पानी के पास ले जा सकते हो, पानी घोड़े को पीना पड़ता है तो खुद से.
But that is which you explained me, self-analysis.
जब सबको अपनी बुद्धि है कि भाई अच्छा क्या है बुरा क्या है, हम ही बोलते हैं हम ही अच्छे हैं वो बड़ा बताएंगे. हम ये करते हैं, आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज डू कम. यू आर वेलकम एज अ फैमिली.
Nice. So I want to ask, like last thing which I want to ask about the student and parents. what the 3 things should student learn in their teenage?
Character building is an essential thing of your life
Mm,
because that is going to stay with you not during the student but throughout your life. That's a fundamental thing. Then, whatever subject or whatever goal you have a concentration on this life. To have a concentration, you must understand that desires are many, capacity is less. And if you are dragged away by the desires, then you will be not going to the college, going to achieve your goal. So you have to control your desires and focus for the goal. Because at this age, you may have so many desires which may take you wrong way. So understand that what is right in your life. I have given the example of sheepdog to them. So everyone has a sheepdog and everyone has sheep. So use the sheepdog of intellect to control the desires in a right way. That is an essence of life. आप कपड़ा सुखाते हो और पिन अप नहीं करोगे तो कपड़े उड़ जाएंगे. So desires is like a cloth without clip. बुद्धि का क्लिप लगाओगे तो कपड़े सूखेंगे भी सही और उड़ेंगे भी सही. उड़ेंगे भी नहीं और सूख भी जाएंगे. तो डिजायर्स तो कंट्रोल करने का एक ही उपाय है. Develop your intellect and do what your intellect says is right, not the मन says. मन में तो बहुत विचार खराब आते हैं, हटके आते हैं, मगर बुद्धि से कंट्रोल करो उसको.
ओ सर, अगर आप पेरेंट होते ये एज में, सो आप अपने मतलब अपने चिल्ड्रंस को क्या सिखाते हैं?
यही जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे लिए अपने चिल्ड्रन दूसरे चिल्ड्रन है ही नहीं. एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग इज सेम.
Same. So whenever the parents or student come for your advice or mentorship, you always say this 3 things.
Definitely, there is generally no one comes to me.
I think every should come to the sir and have the word with them. They will get
This is whosoever is in near to me knows my lifestyle, knows my approach towards life.
it is an amazing journey which you have been through, and I have so connections. I want to many things are there in my minds, but sure we'll cover in the next episode with you. Thanks for having us, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It means a lot, sir.
Yeah.